Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, here we are at the skiing area in Park City, Utah. This is the National Ability Center in Park City, Utah. And here you have eight Trane XR air conditioners and one Mitsubishi electric ductless unit. But they admit this one's a heat pump because I think it might. This is running in cool mode or heat mode. Check the lines. Oh, that's actually a heat pump. That's running in heat mode. I have this around it. Here. Can't see. You don't know the year on this one. It's made in Japan. Oh wait, this one's from 2022. I can see the year manufactured at the bottom. See the reflection from the coils. I bet the coils are nicely cleaned. But right now, here we are to the Trane XR units. Here's this one. It's got a RU fan motor. It's got a line scroll compressor. Yep, it's an XR. 2022. See a tonnage. I think the Mitsubishi is a 1 ton. I think that's a 3 ton. But that's a big short 3 ton. Most of these have most of these have 3 blades. That song playing in the background is Bad Romance by Lady Gaga, coming from the restaurants. But speaking of that, I'm filming air conditioners, not about music. But here's this Trane XR. RU fan motor, line scroll. 2022, that might be a 3 ton. See, considering these are heat pumps. I think it might be heat pumps or something. Ugh. Wait, no, those are actually air conditioners, not heat pumps. Heat pumps have reversing valves in them. I don't see any reversing valves in that coil. So they're just air conditioners. The Mitsubishi is a heat pump. It's got an RU fan motor, a line scroll compressor. 2023, this one's newer. Here's this one. RU fan motor. Line scroll compressor. 2023. This is the only small one. Small Trane XR. It's got smaller blades. RU fan motor. Line scroll. 2023. 2023. That's a 3 ton, maybe 2.5 ton. Here's this Trane XR. This is the only 2-blade Trane XR. All the rest of them are 3-bladed. And this one's got a different motor. So it's got a Genset fan motor. It still has the aligned scroll compressor. All have the same aligned scroll compressors. 2022. This is the only 2-bladed one now. This is the only one that has a Genset motor. Here's this one. This is another small one. Well, not as small as this one. Line scroll compressor, RE fan motor. 2022. And this is actually the biggest out of all these Trane XRs. This one might be a 4 ton probably. RE fan motor, line scroll compressor. 2023, that might be a 4 ton. I'm gonna get a good picture. It's definitely a good shot. You can see a little bit of the Mitsubishi. And you can see all these Trane XRs. Zoom in a little bit. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Over and out. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm back here, and this is gonna be the two air condition. Here's the dual zone air conditioners at the rental house in Park City, Utah. Same thing when I filmed the 8 Trane air conditioners over there at the ski resort. And here we have two newer York LX series air conditioners. They're not running. Yeah, those are definitely air conditioners. They're not running. It's because it's cold outside. There's snow on the ground. But yeah, this house has dual zone units. Here's this York. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. It's got an Emerson Copeland skull compressor. 2022. This car right there. It's 2022. I think it might be a 4-ton. Here's a smaller one. It's a bigger one and a smaller one. It's also got a Emerson Copeland skull compressor. It's also got a broad ocean fan motor. (2022) that might be a 3-ton. Here's the line sets. They both have Midwest disconnect boxes. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.